So on Espions de Cesar. So that is the kiddies log flume that's down there. That looks really cute.
Yeah, Eden could go on that.
She can, can't she?
Yeah.
She's on this. She's on the one behind. You see that's coming out there. Having a good old time. We'll keep facing forward. The Grand Splash, which is just down there. It seems like quite a long ride, this, Casper, doesn't it?
Yeah. Well, even if travelling Splash.
I think it's a log flume, you know.
Big one.
Yeah.
Oh, big.
I do love all the theming, Casper. It looks good, doesn't it?
Or is this just a rapids? Part of the rapids. We just took a picture of us.
See the girls behind. They're waving. Yeah, look, a good vantage point of the. It's a nice little boat ride there, isn't there?
Yeah, what's that bridge down there? Where's that lead to?
I'm not sure. There's so many things here that I'm not sure what they are. There we go. It's a case of taking it easy and discovering them as we come to them, really. There's the back of Asterix Mountain there. You can see him sat with his hands behind him, looking happy. Sunbathing in this beautiful weather. 25 degrees, you know, Casper.
Hot.
It is hot, yeah, you're right. Nice little boat ride down there. I'll have to go on that.
Holidays in here.
It has, hasn't it? It's been hot the whole time. I'm going to wave at all these people then as you go past. Oh, they didn't see. Little adventure play area here, look.
Nobody else.
Little themed slide through a log.
Oh yeah, nobody could see us pedaling waving. They were too busy pedaling.
They were, yeah. Seems to be no shortage of eateries here. Not all of them are open today, of course, because it's not the busiest of days. But I do like these kiddies log flumes that they have down here. I think they're really good to get people started, kiddies started into going on log flumes and thrill rides. Loads of little adventure play areas dotted about here. So this is the main centre of the kids area, isn't it, Casper?
Yeah.
Yeah?
There's like a little shop down there.
There's
a museum over there that we walked in.
Oh, there was, yeah, you're absolutely right. Yes, so over there's a little museum for Asterix.
Coin machine down there, rapids.
Yeah, there is. There's all sorts.
And then after this we're going on the train.
The train.
Why does it keep stopping?
Because we're nearly at the station now, so as you can see, there's a sign. Just climbed those steps there to go into the station, so it's coming back in now, and that'll be the end of the ride. You see the girls just coming in behind us there. Look like they've had a good time. And that is Espions de Cesar.